Happy Friday, my good old friends of YouTube. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So you know the drill. We have to break down SoFi stock in this video, do a rundown on the charts, what I'm looking to do, how we're looking today, and where I see SoFi going in the short term. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and join the free email list, which is in the description box, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it is about noon on the East Coast right now. Excuse me, guys. Might need some freaking water to start this video off. Actually, got the coffee here. Even better. Hold on a second. Oh man, that stuff is good. So like I said, it's about noon on the East Coast, and we have SoFi up over 1% after actually collapsing. I'm sure you guys saw it. In the morning, we dumped all the way to $14.85 after being at almost $16 in the pre-market. So we took a big haircut at open, but clearly we got a nice V-shaped recovery and we filled the gap right back up. So you guys can see it looks like we dropped around 6% at open. But obviously now we've recovered that and we're up over 1% on the day. So do you guys remember what we've been talking about the last couple of SoFi updates? We've mentioned that Head and Shoulders. Do you guys remember that Head and Shoulders? Well, it looks like that is slowly playing out here in the short term, right? You guys see clearly SoFi has been seeing a healthy pullback the last couple of days from $16.60 about a week ago. Now we're at $15.80, so we're down about 5% off the high. Really not much, but earlier in the day we were down a lot more, about 11% from the high. So, you know, we got into correction territory there slightly. So SoFi is seeing this Head and Shoulders still intact, right? And some of you guys were like, Stas, I don't see the Head and Shoulders. What are you talking about? I'm not seeing it. Well, it's intact. Here it is. You guys see it now, probably even better than a couple of days ago. So do you guys see the left shoulder right here? And this is on the 30-minute time frame, by the way. We have the head right here, and then the right shoulder is right here. You guys see that, right? I can't make it any more clear than that. And now we have a death cross here on the 30-minute chart. We're under both moving averages as well. And really, we're one support away, which we actually broke it this morning when we got to 1485, but now we've recovered over it. The support's at around 1550. If this point ends up breaking, oh man, my allergies are coming back. What's going on? Oh man, excuse me guys, but if 1550 breaks again, we might get another down move, which again, we kind of saw that this morning. We got down to 1485, and at that point, man, the Head and Shoulders was getting pretty it played out almost entirely at that point, right? But who knows, maybe it does go back to the high 14s again, maybe low 15s. So we're going to have to monitor it at this point. You know, what direction is SoFi going to pick? I think if we break under $15.50, mark is at or below. I think if we get back under there, low 15s, high 14s could be coming. But if we do break these moving averages, which we're testing them right now as the stock is rallying about $1 off the lows, if we're able to get out of these moving averages on the 30-minute chart and we break the neckline of the Head and Shoulders, which is roughly at around $16.15, if we're able to get out of there, that's where SoFi could really start breaking out again and, continuing the juicy old gains that, SoFi has been enjoying. So on the 4-hour chart, now we can see a more healthy stock chart. We got pretty overbought at 1660, and with the dump down to about 1480, look, we cooled off a bit, man. We got under that 50 SMA on the 4-hour time frame, which now we're back over it. But we were under it earlier today for the first time in about a month and a half. And you guys can see we're obviously well above the 180 SMA still. Maybe it does sell down to that point. Maybe it goes back down, to about $13.50, $14. But either way, this is a very healthy pullback. You guys have to realize, this was healthy, much needed, in my opinion. So, yeah, not a bad way to wrap up the week here as we're slowly wrapping up the week for SoFi. I think it's a pretty good way to do it. Not too bad, guys, and we'll do another update on, I think Sunday we'll do another video, maybe Saturday, tomorrow, actually probably Sunday. Sunday we'll have a video out going over what to expect for the next week and kind of how today wrapped up, because it's only noon right now. So, we still have a couple hours left of trading, so make sure to subscribe for that Sunday video. But as of now, guys, this is what I'm looking at. We're looking pretty good, obviously. Healthy pullback is here. And, it's in an interesting spot. Let's just leave it at that. So what do you guys think? I mean, I'm still long SoFi. I'm in the stock. I'm not buying more here. I'm not selling. I'm just simply holding on. What are you guys doing? I'm curious. Let me know down below in the comments. But, yeah, the Head and Shoulders, man, that we called out, it looks like, well, it, slowly started to play out earlier today. It's still intact now, so we're going to have to see how it plays out. And mind you guys, the entire stock market today, except for the Dow, is in the green. The Dow's down about 0.25%. All right, not a big deal. But we do have the Russell up almost 0.5%, looking pretty decent here on Friday. QQQ's up almost 0.75%, which is also pretty good. Maybe another all-time high. Yeah, QQQ hit another all-time high today, guys, at 526.19. Bulls keep on doing what they're doing best, guys, or at least what they have been doing best. And SPY is up about 0.1%. We almost hit 610 this morning, which I think is an all-time high. Yes, it is. 609.07, baby. Let's go. So, yeah, markets keep on crushing. I mean, we called out this triangle on SPY. That played out from 600 to where we are now. I'm not surprised. We called it out. QQQ, we also called this breakout out as well. You guys can see here, we sold off a bit from 516 to about 495. We were kind of consolidating for a couple of days, but I told you guys a couple days ago, look, if QQQ breaks 510, boom, off to the races, all-time highs. Fast forward a couple of days, and here we are. All-time highs were hit on QQQ. So, yeah, guys, what do you think? That's kind of a quick update on what we're seeing right now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the free email list down below in the description box and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocsurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.